Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you the best 3 camera applications for your iPhone devices, mainly for those who love raw photography. So without any further more delay, let's begin. Firstly, before proceeding further, I would like to mention you that I'll be providing the download link for these 3 applications in the video description, so you click on this download link if you directly want to download those camera applications. So I'll not be showing you by going in the App Store to what to download. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first applications I want to show you is the most popular camera applications for the iOS devices. I'm sure most of you have known this ProCam applications. So you download and install it. I'll be providing the download link for this too in the video descriptions. So on opening these applications for the first time, you can see its user interface. So here you can see a row options, so you can select it, and when it turns yellow, that means that you have selected to capture it in the raw mode. So if you are a raw photography lover, then definitely this is a very highly professional looking camera applications for iOS devices that you should definitely try it out. But sad part of this application is that it has no any free version, so you need to spend some bucks to purchase it, and if you're willing, then you can purchase it. And let me make you clear that it is really highly professional camera applications for your iPhone devices, so I'm sure you can go for it and think twice before you want to purchase it. But if you really need a very professional looking and good camera, then definitely it's my highly recommendations camera applications for your iOS devices. So you can try it out by yourself, and if you face any problem using these camera applications, you can leave your comments below in the video descriptions. I will try my best to help and guide you using these camera applications. So now the second camera applications I want to show you is the ProShot. It is also highly popular in the App Store, which can take a raw photography. So let me show you its user interface. So you can see, as I have already using this, so I have selected in raw. So how you can enable, you can see the option here. You can take in JPG or you can take in the raw photography by selecting this option. So you can see a raw option has been enabled, and you can, after enabling it, you can capture and take raw photographies using this software too. This software is also highly professional compared to the earlier ProCam applications, but sad part of this applications too is that it's not free like the ProCam. So there is no free version, so you need to have to download this by purchasing it. So in my opinion, you can try this too. If you need an alternative of the ProCam, then this is good to go for you. So try yourself this too. Now the third applications I want to show you is the RAW Plus. This is not very old software. It is very newly launched, just like a year or 2 years like that. Not very old and very popular like the ProCam or the ProShots, but still this will give you raw capturing photography features and how you can enable it. So let me show you. There's lots of options. It's a camera shutter button, and you can see here below everything. So on the settings menu, you can see it's already selected in the raw options. You can capture in RAW plus JPG to bot, and you can just capture in the JPG mode. So in my opinion, this tool is really very good applications for you if you really want to take in a photography mode. So in my opinion, you can try these applications too. If you really need free versions raw capturing camera applications, then you can definitely check these applications out before purchasing those pricey raw supporting camera applications. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.